Hi friends, today I'm going to film a little pseudo packing video type thing to show you some of the things that we're taking on our Disney trip. We are going to Disney! So excited. We are not doing any parks or anything, so don't get like crazy excited, but we're going to resort hop. And because we're driving, I thought this might be a fun video just to show you what it's like to not necessarily pack light. You know, a lot of people do packing videos because they're flying and they want to show you all their packing cubes and all that fun stuff, which is really cool. But we don't fly to Disney, we drive because we live a couple of hours away. So I'm going to show you what we take in the car. So I've thrown everything on my bed. Place is a mess. Christmas week is always really busy, but let me show you the bag I'm taking. So this is a Vera Bradley, and I can't remember what it's called, but it's super cool. It is a backpack. This front thing can unzip and become its own separate bag. It has a little strap that you can put on it, so it's like a bonus purse, or it's an extra pocket. So you can open it up and there is an inside pocket and then just a big space. But then the cool thing, the straps are tucked up inside. Okay, so you can pull the straps out and then you can buckle them. I have them tucked in for right now, but it has handles that you can pull out, and you can also carry it, there we go, like a duffel, and they just tuck right up in there. It's super cool. So I usually turn it into a backpack for transportation purposes. Okay, so we're only staying a couple of excuse me, I have a bit of a cough. We're only staying a couple of nights, so I'm bringing my Eeyore pajamas and my bathrobe. It's supposed to be cold for the few days. Well, cold for us, chilly for some of you northerners maybe, but it might be cold in the hotel room, so I'm bringing long pajamas and a bathrobe just in case I need to pack some socks for wearing in the hotel room. That would be a good thing. This pillowcase I made at Pop Century a few trips ago. I love it. I'm going to put it on my pillow the morning that we leave. I do bring my own pillow because, you know, we're taking our car and it fits and we're not flying, so win-win. I am taking some pins. Probably not going to wear them all, but I decided I'd take them all just for the heck of it, and I chose 2 of my 4 magic bands. I chose the plain one, plain purple, and Stitch, because I'm bringing a couple of Stitch things. I'm also bringing this blanket. I got this at the Mexico Pavilion in Epcot one time, and I just absolutely love it. And if any of you have stayed in the Disney resort rooms, you know many times the blankets are super thin, so it's nice to have a bonus blanket. I'm bringing this cool Vera Bradley lanyard. I got a lanyard, and it's just a little zip ID holder thing. I think that's what it's called, zip ID. And you can put your ID or cards in it. It has a little zip pocket for change or whatever. So I thought that would be perfect. I got it specifically for taking to Disney for when you're just walking around the resort and you don't want to take your whole purse. But I am bringing my purse. So this is my Minnie Mouse purse that Mom got me, and my cute little fox. So I am bringing that, and that's what I'm going to carry most of the time. And I'm taking a few masks just in case. And this is my sleep mask. I actually made, a friend made these, but I made the sleep mask out of the same fabric. Taking my stash of quarters and pennies just in case we find a real penny press. I'm so annoyed that Disney has gotten all fancy with their penny presses. Don't they know old-fashioned is better? And I decided to take my Disney Snacks headband, my Orange Bird headband, and my Orange Bird ears. Don't know which of those I'm going to wear when, but I narrowed it down to 3. So, and I always bring my own washcloth because it's Eeyore. How could I say no to that? And some toiletries and stuff. That Vera Bradley toiletry kit I'm going to try to pare down because, yeah, we're only staying 2 nights. It's pretty thick, but I love that thing because it hangs. We are going to take umbrellas We also have like one in the car, but I love these little Vera Bradley tiny umbrellas. And it's supposed to rain when we're there, and it's supposed to be quite chilly. So I mentioned that, but I'm taking a pair of thin leggings that I can put underneath my jeans. So I am taking some jeans, and I'm taking my Grogu shirt with a long sleeve shirt to go underneath it. And I'm taking my Stitch long sleeve shirt. And I'm taking my Stitch sweater. And some tank tops and things to go underneath it. And yeah, and a jacket, of course, because it's supposed to be chilly. Now, I also wanted to show you that we always bring a food bag with a stash. So we're going to have some snacks. I found these German treats at Aldi, and it's the Lebkuchen hearts, I think, so I thought that would be a fun winter treat. Haven't told Mom about that yet. And she packed some of the trail mix that she made. It's dark chocolate cranberry trail mix with all sorts of yummy stuff in it. It's really good. We always take Ziploc bags because we like to buy treats from the bakery. We are going to take some grapes with us for the car, and some grapes for the hotel room, but we like particularly grapes in the car because when you're sitting in traffic on I-4 for who knows how long and you can't get out to use the bathroom, but you're thirsty, grapes do the trick. So they help you to stay hydrated without making you go to the bathroom as badly as guzzling your water will do. And this is a junior Frosty container. I am so proud of this hack. So I thought this would be perfect for treats in the car because you can just stick it in your cup holder, and yeah, super fun. So there's one each of the grapes for me and Mom. And I also did the same thing with some trail mix in the Wendy's Junior Frosty container for the car. And we're going to take mugs because, again, driving, not flying. So we're going to take our mugs. And I bring the kettle for boiling water because making tea using the coffee maker is horrendous to me. I just don't like that. And we take a dishwashing soap and a sponge so we can just wash our dishes. I also need to pack some reusable straws. So I also need to pack our reusable straws and then a few other things, but those I hope give you a good idea of what you can pack if you're driving to make your stay even more convenient. So I hope you enjoyed my slightly weird packing video, and I am looking forward to sharing our Disney videos with you. Our Disney videos are going to come out a little weird because I'm not going to share them in order. So we're going to have a travel day video and our first day there, and we're going to have a little tour of our resort, and we are going to be doing some fun Christmassy things, and I expect that there will be a travel home video as well with some more resort stuff, but the full day in between, so that's going to be the second day that we're there, is coming out first, I think. And I think it's going to happen during our 12 Days of Christmas Vlogmas, because you'll see why when you watch it, but it just fits beautifully. And then the other videos I think I'll show you after Vlogmas is over. So I hope you guys have a great day today. Please watch our 12 Days of Christmas Vlogmas. So we have a special Christmas video coming up on Christmas Day, and then Vlogmas will start the day after. So please join us for the 12 Days of Christmas. And I hope you have a fabulous day today. Please hit the thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. And please subscribe so you don't miss out on Vlogmas. Bye guys!